So, I'm making an Animal Crossing style game, or rather, I want to. So I'm learning code and learning how to do specific things in code. And I did a redo of my text box system I did a while back, um, last year. Uh, and while some of this, of course, is placeholders just shoved in here for the sake of testing, um, I've made a system that reads out text one by one. Uh, It also parses for different characters to play different sounds and have different delays. Uh, and the process, which I know I probably shouldn't put this here, but I have it detecting for inputs, and it basically just allows it to iterate to the next point in the dialogue. And what's really interesting about this is I was like, okay, so I need to make it so that different character dialogue trees can just be shoved into this thing and used without having to write string after string after string for each new function call. So somebody showed me how to make resources that have changeable attributes per file. So I made this script. It extends resource. It's a new resource called dialogue table, and basically it allows you to set a name. Hang on, a name, a catchphrase, and it lets you make dialogue options. So these are the default three: happy, sad, and angry. I'm just overjoyed. Oh well, looks like it guess you can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs. You know, that sort of stuff. So to test this out, I made a resource called Debbie, and here is the stuff about Debbie. Name is Debbie. Catchphrase is rough. The angry, happy, sad, or this just the default. And the shopping list is like, of course, shopping list. It talks about what Debbie wants for the shopping list. And Wavy, this is a BB code test because my previous text box system couldn't do BB code. Uh, but this one can. The only issue is that it'll audibly play sounds for the BB code text even though it's not visible, and I can't on my own figure out how to do that, how to stop that from happening. I'm very confused on that front. Uh, but I guess I'll go on ahead and show off what it does. So that's the angry dialogue, and you'll notice in this next line, the pitch is different. There is a pitch parameter in case you want to either differentiate the voices a bit more, or if you want to make a character sound angrier. And here's the BB code test. And as you can hear, it's also reading out the BB code, which is not ideal. And then once you're done with the dialogue tree, it hides itself. All right, that's about it.